Let's see how to make a Discord public server. On your smartphone, open the Discord app, scroll down in this left-hand menu and tap this plus icon. Then tap on Create My Own. And here you can select For Me and My Friends. And to make a public server, we have to select For a Club or Community. And now tap this plus icon to upload a profile photo for your server. So I'm uploading a photo from my gallery, for example, this photo. Tapping on Done. And rename the public server. I'm typing here code and tapping on Create Server. And now you can add friends from here. So you can just send invite from the new group that you just created. Then tap on Done. And here we can see my new group successfully created. Now we have to make this server a public server. To do that, first of all, we have to turn on community. So go to your server, tap on your server name at the top, tap the settings, scroll down, tap on enable community, tap on get started, and enable verified email required option, and enable scan messages sent by all members, and tap on next. Now we have to set up the basics. So select our rules or guidelines channel. I'm selecting here create one for me, and community updates channel. I'm selecting create one for me and tapping on next. And here you can set default settings to mentions only. You can just go ahead and adjust the settings. Then finally tap on finish setup, and you can select a channel for rules, and you can just customize this option. By default, I'm tapping on save, and you have successfully turned on community for the channel. And now we have to make our server public without discovery. So all you have to need, go to your server and tap this invite icon. In here, tap on edit invite link, and invitation link expire after. Here we have to select never, and max users, select this infinity option. Then tap on save. And now you can just share your public group server link to anyone, and the group link will not expire. So this is a permanent server link. And another step is we have to allow anyone to join our server. So go to your server and tap the server name, and you have to go to server settings, then scroll down, tap on rules, and tap on everyone. And here we have to turn on view channels. So make sure it's turned on. Also turn on send messages. So scroll down and find out send messages and create post. Make sure to turn on this option. Also we have to turn on read message history. So scroll down and enable read message history. Then tap on save change and then go back. And we can see I've successfully created a public server on my Discord. Thanks for watching.